This is the PocketDog main menu. It's what your cruiser will see each time he opens up PocketDog on his handheld PC. From here, the user can open or create a new cruise file for that day, edit or update cruise specifications, edit pricing information, input cruiser info such as their name, email address, contact information that's written to each job file, and manipulate track data, stand data, and point data, which are the three primary data levels for TwoDog. Track data is very basic. It's the highest level of information and consists of high-level information: track name, owner name, the location if you want, and any additional comments you want to make. Stand data allows the user to create stands on the fly in the field and to give each stand an acreage, a unique identifying stand number, and vary the sample type. In this case, we have available a 10-factor prism and a 100th acre plot. Next, the user can move into the point data screen, where most of the data collection actually occurs. It's set up to mimic a tally card with a grid approach: species, product, DBH, merchantable height, a tree class, and a tree count field. All of these fields are completely user customizable. All that is required are species, product, DBH, and a merchantable height for products with volume. So this can be as complex and as simple as you'd like it to be. Just to give a data collection example, all your codes are contained in a pick list to the right. And we choose from our species, our product, diameter at breast height, merchantable height in logs. In this case, we'll say this has a 1.5 logs. We'll give this one a tree class of acceptable growing stock. And I'm on to my next tree. You notice PocketDog automatically filled in a count of 1 for me. But if I needed to change that and had more than one of these stems on that point, I could manipulate it that way. Once you get your codes down, or you have a field PC with a keyboard, you can really begin to move quickly through data collection. Each of these trees has only one product per stem, but PocketDog can also handle multiple products per stem. Say we have a 14-inch tree with 1/2 log of grade, and we want to add a piece to the top of that. Of mixed tie log for a 1.5 log, and add a piece on top of that. And we'll account for the roundwood pulpwood on top of the stem. So we've built a tree from the ground up for 3 logs total height. Now, PocketDog can also account for things with no volume, such as regeneration. So let's say we had some regeneration in this stand and we wanted to give it a stem count. We weren't required to collect any of this other information except for species, the regeneration product in this case, and a count of 5 stems. PocketDog will also allow you to stratify each point by stand that you've created on the fly in the field. And PocketDog will allow you to collect a lot of additional information outside of standard tree data. through the text data collection button down here. The user can define categories that they're interested in collecting information on and assign each a user-defined pick list so they can annotate their tree data as they move through each point in the woods, or each sample in the woods. Just move through a few of these to give you a few examples. And you can have up to 40 user-defined fields. Like I said, they can be whatever you want to make notes. All of this is contained in an Access database back on your desktop PC, so it's all completely available for attachment to a GIS or use in Excel for further analysis. PocketDog also allows you to make free text comments if the drop-down menus don't meet your needs in the woods at that particular time. PocketDog also provides a built-in limiting distance calculator. You select your sample type, the diameter of the tree you're evaluating to be in and out or out of your point. You define your percent slope, and by tenths of inches, PocketDog gives you the distance in feet for that stem to be in your point sample or your plot. PocketDog also provides on-the-fly data summaries, so we can calculate the results for that particular point, number of board feet, basal area, trees per acre, or we can calculate it at the stand level. And if I had enough samples in here, it requires 3 samples to calculate full statistics. You get your lower confidence limit and upper confidence limit, your percent error, coefficient of variation, and standard error, as well as the mean for these products. For basal area, number of trees, volume. Going a bit further, PocketDog in the field can even tell you, based on a target percent error, how many more samples you need to collect in that stand to be within that percent error. PocketDog also has backup options, so it will write a copy of your collected data over to your SD card every time you add a point, or manually back up right then when you tell it to, or you can have it autosave every so many trees within a point. Really handy, so even if you completely trash your PDA and you can recover your SD card, your data is safe. PocketDog also provides the ability to record some keyboard shortcuts to improve the flow of your data collection. It also provides a left-handed screen. PocketDog also allows you to, if you have a GPS connected to your PDA, collect your X, Y, and Z coordinates for that particular point. PocketDog can also be run alongside many popular field mapping programs such as ArcPad or Solo Forest. It can easily be toggled back and forth. As you see here, we are in the point data screen of PocketDog, collecting our tree data. And we can quickly and easily switch over to ArcPad 10, which is running in the background, for our field navigation and mapping, and then quickly switch back over to PocketDog to continue our tree data collection. Thank you.